Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. This old school Thursday, old school soul food deal of the week. Got another awesome deal with y'all. Y'all know I love my pots and pans, and I like my backup pots and pans. And this is a deal right here. I'm gonna tell you the price right off, even if you don't have the code. If you don't have the code, these pots and pans right here is $179. I'll tell you straight out. Now, before you even get the code, they already got a deal. You get them for $100 and I think it's $113. I think it's $80 off. Plus, it's a 10% discount code I'm gonna put in the description of the video with Chef CHEF 10. That's the discount. You get an additional 10% off than what this is already. So, no further ado, we're gonna unbox this. I think I can unbox this on camera and show you what's in there. It's a 9-piece set, y'all. Let me show y'all here. Y'all know I like good quality pots and pans. 9-piece pan set. 9 pieces in here. Let me show y'all what you get. It's a little oven mitt there. Alright. There's one top. Should have got to put the top together, I guess. They're gonna make you work for this, y'all. They're gonna make you work for these. Oh yeah, you gotta put the lid and all that together. This is the lid right here. This is a little knob. I guess you gotta put the knobs on there. I guess this way they can pack it in, I guess, a little bit better. I've never seen this before. So we're gonna get them all out of here. What I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna get them all put together. I didn't know they wasn't put together. They got the screw, you know, you gotta put the pots and pan. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step off. I'm gonna put all the knobs and everything on them, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how it is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, it took me about 10 minutes. Like I said, you just gotta put the, I know why they did that, and it was really smart. You see how compact that box was? So it less space when they ship the item. All you gotta do is take it out. Make sure when you're taking it out, your screws come in the little packages. And you just put the screw right in there and throw the knob on, so it's no big deal. One thing I really like about this, y'all know what I like. This pot is heavy. It's heavy duty. And look at that. Enamel non-stick. Y'all know how I like. Y'all see my other pots and pans that I use, the Michelangelo, which is the same way. This is just like the Michelangelo. Heavy bottom. Enamel inside, meaning your food doesn't stick, it doesn't burn, it's very hard to scorch. Because this is the key. I always tell y'all that heavy bottom pot and pan. And this definitely has it. And like the 6-course, I love the see-through lid with the air vent. I love that. That's always a great feature when you cover your food up. It doesn't boil over because it has a vent on it. So it gets this little sauce pot. You got your big pot right here, which I love. The lid on it. Then it got 2 skillets. You got, of course, you can use an omelet skillet, and you got the skillet like we call this the fried chicken skillet. Same thing. Look how heavy bottom that is, y'all. Like I say, this price is normally $189 for this, but I think it's really should be more. But right now it's $118, $117 normal price. They got a sale going on. Plus you get another 10% off of that. So what's that? Another $17 off of that. So you're looking at about $80 and something with change for these pots and pans. Plus another good feature I love. Y'all know I got one of these already. The grill pan. You grill hamburgers and stuff in here, and it has the ridges on it. You can grill hamburgers, grill your chicken breasts, and it doesn't leak out because it has the ridges on it. I like that about this. 2 other things it has. Got your spatula in there. Another thing I like about the spatula, it got holes in it. So when you scooping up fish or chicken or something like frying, the grease comes off through here. That's a good feature. You got a little ladle in here. Come with it too. Also, something I don't wear, y'all. I hate it wearing in the kitchen. Y'all never see me wear these. It's an apron. It comes with an apron, y'all. Look at that. Got his name of the company on there. Yeah, nice little apron there for y'all. People that wear aprons. Y'all know I don't wear aprons. When I used to wear aprons at work, y'all, I used to wear it only around my waist. I never wore an apron around my neck and stuff like that when I worked in the kitchen. Just never felt comfortable wearing aprons. And whenever I did wear aprons, when I was working in purchasing, they knew something was going on when I come in the kitchen with an apron, but I was going to really do some serious cooking. So, yeah, y'all, little awesome deal. I need to find out how long the deal is gonna go on, but the product code is Chef 10. I'm gonna put everything in the bottom of the video. Chef, CHEF 10, number 10. And like I say, y'all, this is awesome. And y'all gonna see me cooking with these a lot, so y'all get used to it. So you better get you some. So the next few, after the summer's over, I'm definitely gonna be cooking. I love this little skillet here, y'all. I love it. I just love the bottom, heavy duty bottom. So if you don't have a pots and pan, if you didn't get the deal when I had the Michelangelo deal going back in December and you missed out, don't miss out on these deals, because y'all gonna be seeing me cooking with these pots and pans. You're gonna be wondering, where you get those? How you get those? I've done told you, deal of the week is where I get them at. So do not miss out. So anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. If you like this video, making all this noise and cooking. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.